Alright, so I have this lovely pirate here. I am going to bring it into Godot after adding an armature and animations through Mixamo. So the first thing we have to do is make sure you got your mesh all complete. Everything you want to do is done to it, and I think it all has to be joined together. I'm not sure for Mixamo. So what I'm going to do right now is just File, Export. I'm going to export it as a wavefront, and we're going to do it right to my desktop. Export the OBJ. I should be able to close that up. And now if I open up a new page in Mixamo, let's upload a character. I've already done this once. Alright, let's go ahead, bring him on in. Next. So chin, we'll just do this as quickly as possible. We got the wrists over here, we got the elbows up here, we got the knee, and we got the groin. Yeah, right knee, right elbow, right wrist. Alright, we just want the no finger skeleton. Go ahead. Alright, next. So yeah, let's get one who's hip hop dancing. We'll download that. I already have a couple other dancing animations. I just need a few different animations for what I'm going to try. Alright, so we can exit out of that, go back to Blender. We'll go ahead and don't save, don't need it. Control Alt T. Let's go ahead and reopen Blender. Go here, General A, delete everything. And then we're going to File, Import. And I think it's an FBX, and from downloads, and so we will get hip hop, falling, and run, all four of these. So they all come in and they all play. So one thing we can do, we can actually grab, let's grab these three and delete them, and then we'll delete those. So now we just have one armature. So we have him here, and let's go to animation, and we change that to action editor, and zoom on in. So we'll change this to dancing, and then we'll go to our next one. What is this? Let's call it dancing 2. Our next one is perfect. Alright, so we have all that, and now to get this into Godot, I'm going to go File, Export as a GLTF. It's really going to be a GLB, and then let's just do it to the desktop, and I'm going to call this Pirate Example. Bring that on in. Alright, then we'll go here and open it up. Alright, new project. We're going to call this, oh, I think I have one. Pirate Adventure. Let's open that one up. Alright, let's open that in the file manager. We'll go to desktop, and then we'll grab the pirate example. We're going to copy to, and then our Pirate Adventure, Pirate A, and then select, copy it there, go ahead and close that. And now we should have something here. Let's go 3D scene, merge from scene, Pirate A. We have to select all files, and then we'll hit that and hit enter, and then we'll bring it on in. So our character is a little small, but did his animations come over? Well, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that worked pretty well. Let's try this. If I have an animation, say, let's add another animation in. So let's go back to Mixamo, and let's get, I don't know, is there a jump? Yeah. Come on now. Mutant jumping. Alright, let's download that one. Alright, so now I go back to Blender, we'll import, and we've got GLTF. We have downloads, okay. Sorry, not GLTF. File, import, FBX. Alright, then we'll go to downloads, mutant jumping. That's the one we want. We'll bring that in. We'll go ahead and delete it as soon as we brought it in. We'll grab this one and then we'll click here. So we got our jump. So, alright. We will file, export, GLTF, and pirate example 2. And we're going to go to home, pirate adventure, pirate B. We're going to put this one in here. Alright. And so then if I open up a new scene here and I go merge from scene, no, not that one. We want pirate B. We want pirate example 2. All right, go ahead, bring it on in. So we have the jump in here in the new one, but we obviously don't have the jump in the old one. So I think what we can do is, since these are the exact same skeleton, we can go to animation, save as, and we'll just call this jumping. And we're going to call it .anim, and we're going to save it in the pirate B folder, and we're going to save, and then we're going to go to the pirate A, and we're going to go animation load, and then we're going to grab that jump in animation. And so then let's try it out. So that appears to be working. So if you have animations that you add to your character afterwards, that's how you can get them in, is by bringing them in as another model and then saving that animation here and then loading it through here.